Well, they landed. And what landed before you are... If I can get them in camera and in shot properly. No, let's try them from a slightly different angle. No, can't get them in. Yeah, that's about it, isn't it? So, Walker's Max Kentucky Fried Chicken flavoured crisps. And there's the Colonel, looking all happy and stuff. This, there's another one, isn't there? There's a spicy one as well. Came from Tesco. I was quite glad to see it because I was looking for it for a while and couldn't find it. And I eventually found it. As you can see, because it's waving in front of you. If you need to know what's found within, oops, ladies, bump the tripod. Maybe it'd be easier on the actual packets. That's what's found within. You catch like that, and obviously, well, there's an offer. Where does it say? Where does it say the thing? Oh yeah, I went past the thing. Suitable for vegetarians, because obviously there isn't any chicken in here, which is obvious. That's a thing. No chicken. I just think someone meowed and I was a bit sad. The fact that I said no chicken. Crack this open to crack open another bag contained within. Yeah, we pop you down. We got the individual multi-pack bags. Strangely, they've got a barcode on them. I'm going to say, yeah, maybe I should have shown the ingredients from this one. But hey, kind of prefer the matte bag. But what does that matter? We're here to eat them. Or I'm. There's the little bit that's in the bottom of the bag. See that? There they are, in all their crispy glory. Smell potatoey. I'm not getting any. Can you smell? Maybe a little bit of KFC-ness in the air. But this should be. This is what they look like. They're crinkly. It's been a while since I've had any KFC. I would say, if I was to just eat the coating, that is the coating. Maybe the spicier ones are better because they're spicier. So, obviously, if you're at all curious, I would say these are definitely worth a tasting, for sure. I will try and find the spicy ones. I will try and find them. Whether I'm successful or not is another issue, but I will try. But these are, yeah, they're KFC fried chicken. I'm getting more of the spices from the outside as opposed to the chicken. But that's fine. That's fine. That's kind of what I expected, because it's a little bit difficult to sometimes interpret. But yeah, good, worth the wait. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you not in a KFC anytime soon. No, but next video, that's what will happen. Maybe I'll pick up some takeaway. Interesting. Stay safe.